Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be answering another frequently asked question on calculator used for ACT maths. So this question I have here goes like this. It says, what are the best calculator tricks for ACT trigonometry? Okay, so to answer this question, we have a couple of best tricks for ACT trigonometry. So they include using degree mode, okay, not radian mode unless the question says otherwise. Please pay attention. Using degree mode, not radian mode unless the question says otherwise. We also have using the sine, cosine, and tangent functions for right triangle problems. Okay, and we also have using inverse trig functions to find unknown angles. So these are some of the best calculator tricks for ACT trigonometry. Okay, so I hope answer this question correctly for you. Now, some of you might be asking, you might be asking, how do I, do it actually myself with the calculator? So that's the reason this channel exists. I have videos that practically, demonstrate this, how you can do it yourself. All you have to do, look at this my playlist, depending on the calculator you have with you, whether it's Casio or T84 Plus. So if you have T84 Plus with you, all you simply need to do is to come to this playlist I'll show you that has 51 videos. This one I'm pointing out for HTT using T84 Plus. Go through it, you see my videos on how to use this calculator T84 Plus to solve trigonometry problems, or if you're using the Casio, depending on the version of Casio you have. So take your time, locate the algebra section of that Casio you have with you, algebra and trigonometry playlist here. Take your time to watch it and be glad you did it to solve this problem for you. Okay, so I hope I answered this question correctly for you. That'll be all for this video. We'll see you in my next video.